For this project I was given a photograph of a Land Rover Defender and asked if I could use it to make something relevant for a 50th birthday. I came up with the idea of making a coaster based on the design of the wheel in the photograph. Designing it was a little tricky. I posted several ideas on the Facebook woodworking groups and got some good suggestions and implemented one or two of them. With it being so intricate, this will have to be a job for the CNC router. For this project I used a glue up of European oak. As the engraving will need to be millimetre perfect, I'll have to skim the piece perfectly flat before I start. The router bit I use for skimming is just a trend cutter from one of the multi-packs of router bits. For the engraving I swapped to a 60° V-bit supplied by Wheeled & Tools. Because the piece was skim flat, the text engraves perfectly over the entire coaster. The rest of the machining is done using the 8mm downcut spiral bit, again from Wheeled & Tools. The downcut gives a much better finish, but I do have to watch out for chip removal and use a vacuum for deeper cuts. To remove the tabs I use a sharp chisel. You can sand off the tabs, but that can leave scratch marks. Then the edges of the piece gets rounded over using a Trend Mini roundover cutter. The coaster then gets a quick sanding by hand before being given 2 or 3 coats of Blackfriars kitchen oil.